Within the Note mobile app, there are 3 ways to highlight your IQBooks. First, while listening to an IQbook, simply press and hold the highlighter button. This method will highlight the last 2 sentences you've listened to and save it to your flash tag. A flash tag is used when the user wants to make a quick highlight and not designate that highlight to a specific tag. You can also highlight by quickly tapping the highlighter button. This will prompt a small number 2 to appear, which signifies a highlight being applied to the sentence you're listening to, as well as the previous sentence. If you want to highlight 3 sentences, tap the button 2 times, and so on. Note will then take you to a screen where you can change the number of sentences you've highlighted, apply a tag to the highlight, as well as leave a personalized annotation using text or speech. Afterwards, hit Save to complete the tag and/or annotation that you've added. Then, our platform will intuitively pick up reading right where you left off. A third way of making a highlight is by using voice commands. While listening to your IQbook, hit the play button and give the voice command of, "Hey Note, highlight that." The Note platform will highlight the sentence you're listening to as well as the previous sentence and save that highlight to the flash tag. Having 3 ways to highlight makes it easy to not only access your IQbooks, but to interact with and capture information that you find valuable. Whether you're in a dedicated study space, at the office, or on your daily commute, the Note mobile application makes it easy for you to digest and organize the content you're listening to.